Hello everyone. Today on Meet My Kagawa. Today we're going to be going to a Japanese house that claims that they can offer an array of Japanese culture, from cooking to a samurai experience and much more. So please come with me. Let's go. I'm here in Todotsu, enjoying the Japanese traditional architecture, looking at the beautiful trees. This location is very close to Kampira, one of Kagawa's most famous tourist destinations. So please come with me. We've just arrived here at Kachusha House. Let's go inside and take a look. Whoa, this is a beautiful place. Kachusha House was built in 1827 in the latter part of the Edo period. It's called a daimyo, which is home of the samurai. It's an amazing place. Let's continue. Let's go see what's inside. Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome, please.
Okay. Oh, careful. Got a duck. Got a duck. Okay. Oh, careful. Okay.
気をつけて。大丈夫です。今日は出し体験から行きますか。dashi.
Dashi.
Japanese soup.
Dashi, Japanese soup. Okay. I'm very excited.
Please.
Sit down. Okay.
Sit down.
Thank you so much. All right. I'm ready. Let's make some dashi. All right, here we are waiting for Mizuguchi Sensei. He is coming all the way from Kyoto. He trained in a traditional Kyoto restaurant to teach us how to make miso soup and dashi in the Kyoto way, which is very elegant and very refined in its taste. And it's a very traditional way to make dashi. So I'm very excited to find out what's gonna happen. Are you ready? I'm ready.
Hi, それではお出し体験を始めます。よろしいですか？
Hajime, let's start. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Teach me. Oh, pan. Gas. Okay.
ガス。ウォーター。
Water. Okay.
ウォーター。
Water. Inside.
昆布です。
Comb.
昆布で
Is
す。
this
in
Is this in?
In.
Start. Okay.
wait
Wait. How long do we wait?
沸いてくるまで。
Right there. Ah.
グツグツ。
Oh, you'll see. You'll know when you. Is this seaweed? So step one, we're going to boil the kubo seaweed. Step one. Let's smell it. Yeah.
ジャパニーズだし。
Japanese dashi. It smells like the sea. It's nice. So you need gentle heat.
グツグツ沸かしてはダメ。
No boiling.
No boiling.
Tastes bad.
うん。
So if you boil the seaweed, it becomes bitter.
こちらに来てやってみますか。
Come here. Okay. Here we go. Let's go over here.
じゃあ、右じゃあこうですね。
Oh, switch.
火を止めてからここね。止めてください。じゃ
Oh, almost messed it up. Stop. Heat off. We're gonna put the fish flake in. Okay. Oh, smells good. Smoky. And now we pour it right now?
So this.
Hi. Okay. Let's go. So let's pour. Here we go. Nice. Okay.
Finish.
Finish. Eh? So good. So fast. All right. So this is dashi. This is the
一番だし。
Ishiban dashi. Ichiban dashi. Thank you very much. Oh, smells very good. It's very clean. Thank you, Sensei.
はい。お味噌汁作っていきますね。おほ味噌スープ。
Oh, miso soup.
Miso
Let's-
soup.
Ah, delicious. All right,
Make
let's make miso soup.
はい。味噌スープ。
Miso soup.
味噌スープ。
All right.
先ほどの一番だしをこちらへ移
Oh,
して。
back in. Okay. Let's pour it back in. We're gonna put the dashi back in the pot. Let's go.
おお。素晴らしい。味噌
Miso paste.
味噌ペースト。
Ah,
in。
in. Okay.
あ、いる。
In we go. The miso paste. It's in there. All right. Now we start our miso soup. We put our miso paste into the dashi, and we have some new ingredients.
お味噌汁の種。
Tane.
種。
Tane.
種。
Okay, so tane is the seed of miso soup, and gu is the ingredients that go in our miso soup. And this is an owan, which is a bowl for drinking miso soup. So now we have this
沸いてきました。
slow simmer.
少しかき混ぜて
Oh, stir. Now we break the miso apart and stir it into the dashi. A little
more.
A little more. Okay. We got to get all the miso dissolved in there. Okay. Color. Oh, let's taste it. Oh, oishi. Oh, it's good. Yeah. And we're gonna just ladle it in here. Here we go.
OK。
All right, there we go. And what is this?
飾り。
Kazari.
飾りです。
Kazari. Ah, very cool. Ah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Nice present. Arigato.
どうぞ。
All right, let's go for it. Let's take it. Oh, it's very nice. It's very deep flavor. It's very good on this cold day. It's really warming me up. All right, take a bite of this. Here we go. It's like a bean. Tastes like a American green bean almost. Very delicious.
楽しかった。
Ah, very fun. Yeah, thank you.
じゃあ続いては居合体験してみませんか。
Let's go.
Let's go。
Okay, let's go. Here we go.
コスプレイヤ
Cosplay.
ー。うん。
I get to dress up. Japanese samurai cosplay.
ねえ、体験してみましょう。
Okay, let's go. Hi. Arigato.
足も
Okay.
ここはね宿泊に使っていたり。
Oh, so
はい、じゃあ、今から先生にねご紹介いたしましょう。先生、山崎先生お願いします。
山崎先生。
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。Transformation.
これはもう着付けのプロがやっとんだったらね。
You want
Yeah, I'm warm now. Hey? Well, take it easy. Like, I'm just here to film. Okay. Oh, this was like when they started using guns. My transformation is complete. I am now a samurai. Next, we'll be moving on to our Japanese sword experience. Here we are about to start our sword experience. First thing we're going to learn is the techniques involved with ie. Next, we're going to learn a performance involving this. And the third thing, we're going to test our skills on an actual target later. So please enjoy. Onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu.
よろしくお願いします。こちらこそ。これ下を引っ張る。下を引っ張る。
Oh, you pull like the
Oh.
down below.
こう押さえてこれをスーッと抜く。で、この右前方へ立ててこれを倒す。で、さっきと同じようにこの下げをくるっと巻く。で、レイがこれからこっちの手からそれでまた元の状態でここへ手をかける、下げ横に手をかける、ここへつばを上から親指を押さえ、人差し指、それでやって、それでこれ左手に持ち替える、これで右へ収めて立ち上げる。で今度こう右手に持ち帰る、この状態でこう持ち帰る。そうそう。それで相手に目を見せて歯を自分の方へ向けてレイ。これで終わり。武士道精神大分かってくれました？だいぶ。
Oh, it's very, you have to be perceptive of everything. It's very peaceful and very intense, kind of a little scary to have the sword. Yeah, it's an experience I won't forget.
あ、もう基本の形、前切り、前の対等しとる人物を切る。その場合、左手をここへ沿わす、まず。で、これを前へ押しながら、親指でさっきの恋口を切る。で、これと同時に左手を沿わしながら、すねを縮めながらこう立ち上がる。それでこれでずーっと相手のこの喉元へ抜きつけて、それで右足を踏み出す。それで鞘を引く。鞘を引く。で横切りね。横一文字に切る。 これはもう自分と平行に前へ行く。相手を上段から切る。振りかぶってそう。それでさっきのここから相手が切った後の血がついてるのをここでこうさっきの敬礼の形に持ってきて、この振り切るのと同時に立ち上がる。で今度は右足を引く。それでこの刀を脳と鞘に収めここへ持ってくる。でこう自分の指の上をそこへこっちスライドさす。収める。だからこれは常に自分の正面元の位置へ下がる。で礼。そう。で右足をこれで揃え、で左足をそう。
Can't make the sound. All right, hello everybody. Here we are in the garden here. We just got done with the replica practice inside, and now we've changed uniforms into our practice uniform outside, and we're gonna switch from a replica sword to a real sword to try to cut these tatami mats using the new techniques I've learned inside. よろしくお願いします。
これを試し切りやります。見本やりますから。
やります。
見とってくださいね。
はい。すごい。Whoa. That's clean. That's a clean cut. Straight through. That's amazing. Straight through every leg. That's, I don't know if I can do it. ありがとう。
踏み込んだ時にこれを切る。こういってやってみる？
I'll try. Let's try. I'll try. Let me see. So first is.
それでやってみる。
So one more time. Let me try. So.
それで次であそこ振り切って、一歩踏み込んで、そう、それでそう。もう一つ足踏み込んで切ってオッケーオッケー
すごい。ありがとう。It's cool. All right, I have my real sword here. Has a little more weight than the replica, and it's much sharper and much more dangerous. I'm excited and a little nervous, but let's try to cut this tatami mat.
No. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Good.
Good. ありがとう。One more time. Now I'm going to be attempting to cut the double thick tatami mat. Sensei, ありがとうございます。
こちらこそどうもそう思いました。
疲れた？
疲れた。
お腹ペコペコでしょ。
お腹
美味しいものをたくさん召し上がっていただきたいと思います。
Oh my god.
疲れた体にぴ
This
った
is
り。
beautiful. Oh my god.
ね、これは茶会席料理と言います。どうぞ。
Oh, okay. This is so beautiful. This is the symphony of a meal. So many things. Oh my god. This is crazy.
仲間いっぱいに元気を出しましょ
I'll feel strong after eating this. Oh my god.
う。どうぞ。
Arigato. Wow. I'm so excited. All right, let me see what we got here. Let's try the Thai fish. It looks very appetizing. So as the chef told me, we put just a little soy sauce on it. Maybe. Here we go. It's so fresh. That's a nice scent. It smells so good. Okay. Oh my god. So fresh. It has such a good texture. Has some resistance to it. Gives it a good bite. Oh my goodness. Carefully. Oh, perfectly cooked. Light flavor. Tastes like dashi as well. Dashi everything. It's delicious. Special juice chopsticks. So let's grab our fish. It's been grilled. Has a unique sauce on it. Tender, perfect, flaky, so good. All right, and last thing to eat here is the Wagyu beef, which I've never tried before, so I'm so excited. You ready? Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my god. It's the most tender steak I've ever had in my life. Everything's so beautiful about it. Even the salt is beautiful. A once-in-a-lifetime culinary experience right here. Okay, we're done eating that delicious meal. I'm so full. Pop. Now for dessert, we're gonna experience something very special. A traditional Japanese tea ceremony. I've never seen one before, so please join me. This is gonna be...
はい、じゃあお茶を立てさせていただきます。ジャパニーズ和菓子。
Wagashi.
和菓子。
Wagashi.
はい、じゃあまずお茶を立てるので、途中でまた合図しますんでね。はい、どうぞ。
Oh, it smells so... Whoa. Strong.
よかった。
There you go. Here we have a traditional Japanese room where it is possible to spend the night and enjoy this experience for 2 days. No, it'll be awesome. So let's experience it.
ここは蔵を改造した、蔵バーです。
It's like a speakeasy. So go. So cool. Nice wood. Nice counter. You make coffee. Coffee. They even got coffee. Oh, arigato. Sake.
鮭。
Ah,
This is 金魚。
king gold. Eh?
Made in Kagawa.
Kagawa. Kagawa local sake. Kanpai.
乾杯。
Ooh. Ah. Strong. Oishii. Ah, it's so good. Arigato. I hope you enjoyed touring this old Japanese samurai home with me. Today I got to experience many things. Learning how to make traditional dashi, having a traditional multi-course Japanese meal, kaiseki, as well as a samurai experience. And to top it all off, I got to tour a speakeasy style bar in the back. It was an amazing experience. If you'd like to learn more about it, please check out the URL below. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.